And Nuresh and Kunal, as always, joining in to give us more clarity on that. And Kunal, put into perspective what happened yesterday. A market cap erosion of 14 lakh crores. We saw the index breaching some fairly critical levels on the downside. What's this indicative of? A lot more pain?
So, good morning, first of all. I believe we were running through two parallel markets, I think till the day before yesterday, where the mid caps and the small caps were going into a corrective phase, but the large caps were the ones which were holding their fort. Yesterday was a day where we saw the first alignment coming back, with the mid caps and small caps corrected as compared to large caps, or the indices rather, which also started to show signs of correction. We've still not managed to break below the critical supports on the indices, so I think maybe that could be a solace for short-term traders, that 21,700 mark on the Nifty 700, 750 levels. That's still an important and a key support for the Nifty. We've still managed to hold on to those levels on the indices, even after last many days of the price correction on mid caps, etc. But on the other hand, I would also believe that maybe sooner or later the mid caps and small cap indices could actually get into a deep oversold territory in terms of indicators. So the sharp sell-off which we are witnessing right now, maybe in the next couple of days, the indicators could probably go back into an oversold territory that could result into a near-term support for mid caps and small caps. So I would believe 21,700 is a key support for the Nifty, for the index to try and go into a very sharp reversal on the downside.
Okay, point taken. Nuresh, what's that level that you are watching out for, wherein you will start probably buying afresh, both in terms of the frontline index and the broader markets?
So at current levels itself, one needs to start buying in, because not all stocks will bottom out at the same time. And if we look at it from the perspective of the Nifty, we've corrected, say, towards the 22,000 mark. But if you look at it, the Bank Nifty did not make a new all-time high. And Bank Nifty has been a relative underperformer for the last 2-3, and even going back now 5-6 years compared to what has happened with the Nifty as such. Then you look at the small cap index, we are down 15%, 13, 14, 15% from the top. The prices are back to December 23 levels, which is where the Nifty was closer to 21,000 levels. So overall, stock-specific opportunities do come up right now. Say any other 3-4% correction on the small cap index actually makes it an interesting buy. So the view is a buy on dips at current levels going forward in the index as well as in the small cap and mid cap.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.